What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to download and install Blender on your PC or laptop. Blender is a powerful open source 3D graphics software that allows you to create 3D models, animations and visual effects. To get started, open up your browser and head to the official Blender website at blender.org. Once on the homepage, go to the download section and click on Download Blender. By default, the site will detect your operating system and offer the correct version for your device. If you're using Windows, simply click the Download Blender button. If you're using macOS or Linux, you can find alternative download options on the same page. There's also an option to install Blender via Steam if you prefer that method. Once the download is finished, locate the file in your Downloads folder and double-click it to start the installation. When the setup window appears, click Next to proceed. Read through the End User License Agreement, and if you agree, select Agree, and then click Next. You will now be asked to choose an installation location. It is recommended to keep the default location, but you can change it if needed. Click Next, and then Install to begin the installation process. After a few moments, the installation will complete. Click Finish and Blender will now be installed on your computer. To open it, check your desktop for the Blender icon. If you don't see it, search for Blender in your Start menu search and hit Enter. The first time you open Blender, it may take a little longer to launch as it builds cache files. Upon opening, you'll be asked to set some initial preferences, such as language, left or right-click selection, spacebar behavior, and theme. You can adjust these settings or keep the default options and click Next. Create a new file and you'll be ready to start using Blender. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.